All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about view. So if I go to the top menu bar here and we go to view, you can create a new viewer. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can adjust the resolution, so we can do full resolution, half, third, quarter, or custom. We can show rulers. We should be able to show guides, which is already there. Snap to guides, lock guides, import guides. If I do this, if I click here and drag down, that's a guide, okay? And then here's another one. And then here's another one. And one more. Okay, and then I can clear the guides. I can lock the guides if I have any. Show the grid. Okay, and I'll zoom in. And with this, the cool thing about the grid is the grid will give you a pixel by pixel look of how you can center your items, your text, your graphics, all that stuff. Okay. Snap to grid, view options, show layer controls, switch view layout. We'll just leave it the way it is, but you can have 4 views instead of 1. Okay. We can do 2 views. We can have 1 view. Switch 3D view. Assign shortcut to active camera. Default, go to time, enter full screen. Okay. So that's the view menu. There's not a lot to it, but that's what it is. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.